Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we are taking a look at a 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a Selenite Gray Metallic. Under the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. Tires are in good condition. A brushed aluminum running board. Our interior has a espresso brown ginger beige MB-Tex interior, sunroof coming around back. We've got our GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside here, this one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, a nice wood trim, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. This one also comes with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you parking sensors on the front and rear. Let's go ahead and start it up. Push start ignition, navigation, a surround view backup camera, our radio, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, our command center for our infotainment center, pedal shifters for extra performance. This vehicle has 9,756 miles, Carfax and service records available. To view more photos of this GLE, check out feldmanimports.com.